As an example application, I'm going to create a irregularly shaped hole in the hopper part of a midship cross section. So let's first create a rectangle which represents, okay, I couldn't do this, okay, which represents our midship section. Call the fillet to create the bilge. It's a little bit large. Let me decrease the radius to 1, for example. So it's much better. Okay, in the hopper area, let me first create the area by using offset, and let's give should measure it first. 1 will be okay, I guess. Offset 1. Let's offset the, no, I didn't like it. Let's enter something smaller, 0.75 for example. Okay, it's much better. So I'm going to connect the corners like this. It's a continuous curve. I may explode it in order to get rid of the arc. Just hit X and press enter, and then select the arc, delete it. Okay, let me draw an horizontal line here. And add an additional vertical line here. Okay, our hole should appear inside this hopper part, and with respect to our one of our basic principles of ship structural design, the curves should be smooth and shouldn't have corners when you create a hole. Therefore, and also you may assume that this part is a plate with a hole, or you may assume this part as a frame with similar height values. Therefore, to imitate that frame approach, I'm going to use offset, and let's choose a proper offset distance. 0.25 will be okay, I guess. 0.25. Copy all, offset each surrounding entity. This will be a little bit large, therefore maybe I should first explode it. Explode the object. Now apply the offset with the same distance. Okay, so the space between these lines should be our hole, but it shouldn't have any corners, like discontinuities like this. Therefore, we better fillet them before creating the object. Okay, let's use the fillet, and we should specify proper radius, which should be, I don't know, let's 0.1 looks good. 0.1. You see, we can create a nice hole with curved corners using fillet. So this conforms to the outline of this hole, even though we may wish to create with a smaller height. The hole can be a little bit larger, but this is the idea. And also, like before, you may add circles at the corner. They should be a little bit smaller, by the way. Due to the snap functionality, okay. And also you can copy those. Actually, the holes should be a little bit smaller, but this is for demonstrational purpose. And then use boundary. Pick points, pick the inside of these contours. And you, if you wish, you may copy these contours elsewhere. So you have a nice object which can be produced by cutting from a rectangular plate.